Hi, this is Kit Welchlin. Today's video is on business etiquette. What is the proper attire for business etiquette? Sometimes I don't know what to wear. Like this event, I didn't want to show up by dressing nicer than you. I did, however, want to match attire for the meeting and its purpose. Sometimes it's hard to figure out how to dress. Some of you enjoy the dress for the day policy, which can be kind of tricky. The bottom line is to make sure your appearance is neat and that your apparel fits the situation. Let's start with mistakes that people make that can be prevented. Avoid showing too much skin, whether short sleeves or low necklines. Or I have a hunch, wearing flip-flops is a no-no too, as well as wearing clothing that's fitting too tightly. Don't wear ripped clothing or clothing with holes or ill-fitting clothing. Stay away from inappropriate fabrics, materials, logos, or loud colors. Don't wear black shoes with brown belts or brown shoes with black belts. Avoid wearing gaudy or noisy jewelry. So even if there is a dress code for the day policy, there are a few things you can do to uphold a professional appearance. Make sure your clothes are clean and ironed properly. Carry a leather bag or a briefcase to keep your laptop and other important files and documents neat and tidy. Make sure the shirt or blouse you are wearing is crisp and clean. Review your organization's rules concerning professional grooming when it comes to fragrance, deodorant, nails, skin, makeup, and breath. I suggest your organization have a polished professional survival kit available for staff filled with all kinds of amenities they may need or have forgotten, from sewing kits to Band-Aids to travel deodorants, breath fresheners, and stain wipes. When headed to an event or the invitation suggests resort casual or smart casual or business professional or business formal or cocktail, black tie optional, black tie, white tie, or gender neutral, do an internet search and look at the images that reflect those different styles and adjust your dress or attire as necessary. If my math is correct, did you just list nearly a dozen different styles? I think you're right. Do an internet search. Then search your closet to find a decent match. I'm thinking that dress for the day policy could trip me up if I'm not careful. I think I will play it safe and I will err on a little bit more on the formal side. Thank you for watching this video on business etiquette. What is proper attire for business etiquette? If your organization is struggling with how people should dress, contact me at kit@welchlin.com. I'll provide a presentation with suggestions so we look like we're all on the same team.